One woman from Parel did something nobody expected. सैलरी रिसीट नहीं थी तो बैंक ने लोन से मना कर दिया। सीमा को किसी ने कुछ नहीं सिखाया, but today she is teaching 3 people. She was 1 inch short and that changed her destiny. जो सीमा टोटल 15,000 नहीं कमा पा रही थी, वो आज 15,000 सेव कर रही है. And it left us with one question we could not stop thinking about. There are 6.4 crore self-employed people in India. How much do they actually earn? They don't have salary slips. They wake up every day and they build something from scratch. So in this series, How Much Does India Make? I'm going to break it all down, profession by profession. Let's talk about Seema. She's 35, she lives in Parel in Mumbai in a 100 square foot room. There are 6 people in her family, her husband, her mother-in-law, her 2 kids and her niece who they took in after her brother-in-law passed away. Her husband works at contract housekeeping at KEM Hospital, 18,000 a month. पर इस सबसे पहले सीमा का कुछ अलग ही सपना था. She wanted to become a police officer. She applied once, rejected, applied again, rejected, and a third time, rejected again. Not because she lacked the skill, but because she was just 1 inch short. So she picked up a bag of combs, wax strips, and makeup brushes and started walking across Mumbai door to door. Her day, it starts at 7. She cooks, cleans, does laundry, all before the sun's properly up. By 11, she's out of her door with her bag on her shoulder and she does not stop moving till 8 p.m. One client's house, then the next, then the next. 15 years of this. Just Seema walking into whatever home needed her that day. She was earning around 5 to 6,000 a month, पर अब बात बदलने वाली थी. Seema wanted to grow, better equipment, advanced techniques, so she walked into a bank and asked for a loan. They asked for salary slips. She didn't have any. That left her with one option: money lenders. Interest rates from 36 to 120% a year. Imagine working an entire month only to watch a huge chunk of it disappear, not because your business failed, but because nobody would give you fair access. That's when Seema heard about Rangde. Rangde helped her with a 50,000 rupee loan. Not a money lender, not a bank asking for paperwork she would never have. She borrowed to get professional equipment, to enroll at VLCC and learn advanced hair extension techniques. And here's where it gets interesting. She started doing well, get better clients, and she scaled her business. Cut to today, Seema's business brings in 45,000 a month. Same Seema who was struggling to even earn 10,000 a month. Now subtract cosmetics, travel, referral commissions, equipment costs, and extra help during the wedding season. Seema takes home around 19,000. After all expenses, together her and her husband save up to 15,000 every single month for a family of 6. That's really 3 times what they were saving before. But here's the part that actually stayed with me. Seema now trains 3 other women. Yes, 3 other women. When I met Seema, I thought this was a story about a beautician. It's not. How many women like Seema are out there right now running real businesses, turning real profits, who will never get the chance to grow simply because the banks wanted paperwork they'll never have. They need someone to believe in the business before the bank does. That's what social investing is. Rangde is an RBI regulated peer-to-peer lending platform that makes access to fair credit available to those from the underbanked community. Ordinary people funding ordinary entrepreneurs building extraordinary lives. There are over 256 types of businesses on Rangde. If Seema's story stayed with you, wait till you hear the next one. And I will see you in the next episode. And if you want to be a part of this movement, then visit rangde.in.